Hello folks, welcome to my YouTube channel CSIT Zone. On this channel we are going to study various subjects of computer science. Today we are going to start with operating system. The book for this subject we are going to refer is Operating System Concept by Galvin. Let's move into the topic. Our first topic is Introduction to Operating System. As a user, when we purchase laptop, PC or any other electronic device which interact with the user, first we install operating system. So an operating system acts as an intermediary between the user of a computer and the computer hardware. Refer to the figure. If there are three users that wants to connect the computer hardware, to access the computer hardware there is a dedicated user application. That application interact with operating system. The operating system allocate resource to the user which user is requested. So the operating system also known as resource allocator. Now, what are the goals of operating system? The goal of an operating system is to provide an environment in which user can execute the program in a convenient and efficient manner. So in other words, we can say that the operating system is designed mostly for ease of use and provide stability to the user. That's all for this video. Let's meet in the another video of this series. If you like this video, please do like, subscribe and share so other also get benefit of this. Thanks for watching. Your comment and doubts are welcome in the comment section.